Welcome everybody to this 2-minute Techie Tip on basic editing for a web page and text formatting. Our tutorials are developed to improve teacher productivity and enhance student learning. And to do this, we want to promote our abilities for adding creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking in the classroom. So let's get to it and talk about editing a web page. This is my test site, and I have on my home page, which is always my main page, I just have some lines of text here, and I have a red bar here so I know I'm on my home page, and I have no other pages on this site yet. We're going to add other tutorials to talk about adding pages and other complex editing. My site map is just a function that just will give kind of a navigation tool here. So I really like Google Sites for a number of reasons. One is that they are very concise with their tools. I have really 3 options up here when I'm working on a site, and 2 are very specific, one-purpose tools. This little pencil always means I just want to edit this page. So the way we think about it is, right now it's a website. When I click on this, it becomes a document so that I can edit it just like a Google Doc or a word processing document. Here I can add a page, and we're going to do that in another tutorial. And this is kind of my big daddy toolbar where all the stuff happens, and that will also be on another tutorial. So I just want to do some formatting on this text and edit this page. So I want to turn this page from a website to a Word document. I'm going to edit this page, and then I immediately get a cursor and I see my toolbar here. So I have my cursor, and just like in Word or Google Docs, if I tap my return key, I know my text will move down. And I always want to know my opposite of the return key is my delete key. Alright, so let's just look at some of our formatting options kind of quickly here. And I'm going to maneuver this down, and we're going to highlight just this top row and then go through some of this formatting. I can change the type style. They don't give me a whole lot to play with here, but that can kind of be good. So I can change the type style. I can change my type size. I can make it bold. I can italicize. I can underline. I can change my color. And I can change my background, and to tell you the truth, I think this is kind of an overused option. It can sometimes be distracting and make text hard to read, but there are purposes for it, to highlight to highlight a new section, or tell students that here's where the new quiz information is. So that's how it looks. So I'm going to take that away, and I just uncheck that yellow here, and sure, I uncheck that yellow, and I don't uncheck it, I go to white. Alright, I bring it back to where it was. Links, we're going to talk about that in another tutorial. Numbered lists and bulleted lists, we're going to talk about that in another tutorial. Indenting, again, we'll come back to that, but I want to know about my alignment. If I want this highlighted text, remember everything has to be highlighted for me to format it. I can center it, I can align it to the right, I can align it to the left, and again, I can make this a little bit larger than the other text and then put that in the center. So all my formatting will work the same no matter what I am looking at. So if I highlight this, and actually a speedy quick way to just highlight a row is to click 3 times. I can put that in the center, I can give that a color, and then I'm done. That's kind of hard to see, but that did turn green. Let's see if I can make that a little bit limier. All right, and let's say I'm done with my editing. I would say smaller sizes are better. Less going on is a more professional looking website. If I'm done editing, I just save, and then I know I am back where I started because I have my nice 3 tools. So that'd be the end of this basic formatting tutorial, and we always want to remember that with technology we can remove the limitations of the traditional classroom and enhance the way we teach and learn. Thanks for listening.